Hi, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, I will talk to you about how to close your Bank of America bank account at your home without visiting any branch. So without wasting your most precious time, let's jump to the video. So friends, first of all, if you don't want to grow any branch and if you don't want to visit any branch and you want to close your bank account at your home, then you have to follow 3 steps. First of all, step number 1, I want to say you some steps and some following things you have to measure it. First of all, you don't have any overdraft. If you have any overdraft, then please close your overdraft and return your all amount of your overdraft to directly your bank. So that's why your credit score will be not impact. If you do anything without closing your overdraft, then you have to visit your branch. And if you have any loan with the Bank of America, then you have to close your loan account. After, if you don't close your loan, then you have to face major issues with your credit score. Your credit score will be go down and down. And if you have any credit card, then you have to pay your credit card bills. If you don't pay your credit card bills, then you have to face many issues with your credit scores. After following these 3 steps, then you have to go to Google. You have many types of options available. I am right now using a Android device. Here is option of Opera browser, and you can use your Chrome browser as your preference. Right now I am using my Opera browser for my personal reasons. Then you have to click on new tab and you have to create a new tab and search here Bank of America. That's it. You have to search this on your Google. Then you have to go the website on the Bank of America. As you can see, my internet connection is okay, but something Google mistakes here. You can see here is option of Bank of America, so click on it. This is the official website of Bank of America. Don't go with any fraud website. Many fraud websites do fraud with people just like it, creating the same websites. Then you have to click on here. You can see there, here is the option of 3 bars. Then click on it. I recorded this video 2 times because of the technical issues. First time I record my video, but audio is really corrupted. Then I have to record this video second time. I am doing this only for you. Please hit the like button for this. Now here is a many type of options available. Here is the option of contact us. So click on contact us. Now as you can see, after clicking on contact us, I am right now waiting for my internet connections. This is really very weird, so I have to return click on contact us. As you can see, Bank of America website is really not working properly right now, but if you have any technical issue, then you can say in the comment section. You can ask me into comment section, and please hit the like button. Here you can see many types of options available: bank account, ATM loans and auto loans, Bank of America sign-in issues and CDRD, and many types of options available here. We have to click on checking and savings account because we want to close our account. That's it. That's very simple. Now here is a many types of options available. Method number 1, we can contact them and close our account. Method number 2, we have to write them a application to them directly this address, and you have to send your verification pin. Sorry for that, you have to send your verification document, your DUB and many other things. Now second method. So in the second method, you have to call on this number, and if you are not comfortable with this number, then you can call on this number. This is the international number for roaming. You have to pay charge for it. So as you can see, this is the timing for this numbers. This is not available for 24/7. And as you can see, here is a Spanish number also available here. After this all details, I want to say you just one thing. You have to call them. After calling them, you have to say them, I want to close my bank account, Bank of America account. Then they will ask you to please take an appointment from your local branch and anything. But you have to say them, I don't want to go branch, I want to close my account at here. So they will ask you some information just like your verification code. Sorry for that, you have to provide them your verification document. Just like for your verification, you have to provide your DOB, means your date of birth. That means they can relate this and verify you. And you have to also say them Also, they will ask you a proper reason. You have to say and you have to provide them a proper reason for closing your account, and make sure your account balance is zero. If you have any fund in your bank account, then please do it zero and transfer your all funds to your Bank of America to any other bank, and you can do it from your wire transfer and ACH transfer. And if you don't want to transfer, then you can withdraw this money from any ATM machine. After doing zero your bank account, then you can call this number on this number and you can close your account successfully. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.